What's good? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a back to school drugstore everyday makeup routine. This makeup routine is quick, it's simple, it's easy to do, very low maintenance, which I think is perfect for school. If you clicked on this video looking for like a full glam back to school makeup look, this look is not it. This is for practicality, this is for ease, and this is for... If you're interested in watching this video, keep on watching. So I'm going to start with base makeup. Now, I don't know about you guys, but like when I was in high school, I preferred like powder foundations or like really foundations that had a really light coverage, because I had like my dance class in the morning, and maybe you have like a PE class or like something that you do in your day where you're like sweating a lot. I don't know about you guys, but I would hate to have like a full coverage foundation when I have to do things like that, especially when it's like still in the hotter part of the year. So I personally love BB creams. This is the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. I love this stuff. It has, how much SPF does it have? SPF 30, the physical SPF, and it just gives like a little bit of coverage just to even out your complexion. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Oh, and this is in the color, I'm in the color 130 medium/deep, and it's just like a very sheer tint. Do not expect this to give you full coverage or anything. It just makes your complexion look more even. And you can use your fingers to blend this out. I just prefer using a brush. Oh, I do want to mention that I did buy this product like before the summer, like when it wasn't summer, so I have gotten pretty tan like these past couple of weeks because I've just been spending a lot of time outside having fun in the summer sun, so I did get a little bit tan, but this was once my color, so if it looks like ashy on camera, that's the reason why. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a concealer. This is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Studio Concealer. I am in the color 6.3, and I really like this because it also dries pretty matte. So it's not like too creamy to where it's gonna like crease under my eyes, so I like using this under my eyes, and I just like brighten up that area a little bit. We really want to go for like a natural look, and I just blend this out with a beauty blender. Again, you could like use your fingers if you really wanted to, but I just prefer using good tools because you get the best results. If you have the right tools, you can really make like any product work, is the way I see it. Alright, now I'm going to lightly dust powder all over my face. Even though all the products I'm using are like pretty matte, I still get oily throughout the day, so I want to make sure that like, especially right here, like in my T-zone, this is the Almay pressed powder in the color 500 Deep Like Me. And I just take like a little brush and I just go in right here. And this powder is a little bit darker than like my BB cream and my concealer, so it's going to like correct the skin tone a little bit because I am a little bit more tan during the summer. Just get my melanin back real quick. And then to make like just everything, like all my skin on my face one color, I also go on my eyelids. The next thing that I'm going to do is eyeliner. This is the CoverGirl liquid liner in the color 320. I always get the blackest of blacks for like eyeliners and mascaras. What I like about this eyeliner is that it's not like a felt tip, but it's like a really thin brush, and so it's really easy to get into like the little crevices of my eyelids because I have hooded eyelids and an epicanthic fold, and so it's just like really easy to control it with a very thin brush like this. And usually what I do for like everyday makeup is that, I mean, you guys, if you watch any of my videos, you know this is like my favorite thing to do, but it's like a little baby winged liner. So basically what I do is I draw one line from the corner of my eye up towards the tail of my eyebrow, and then I will line like my actual eyelid, and then I will connect it So it like looks like a little triangle, you know what I'm saying? Like connecting a triangle, if that makes any sense. So then you're left with like a little baby wing, which I think is perfect for school because it looks natural and it doesn't take too long to do. I just want to take a side note real quick and mention like how good my skin looks. Oh, I guess I should mention this about this BB cream. It is like marketed as being an 8-in-1 like beauty balm product. And I do notice that it works great as like a primer. Like it blurred my pores. Like look how flawless my complexion looks right now. I don't know. I just really love this BB cream. I think it gives like really nice light coverage. I know we've been past that step, but I just wanted to reiterate how much I love this BB cream. All right, now we're going to move into mascara. This is the Maybelline The Falsies mascara. I always get the color Blackest Black because my hair is black, I'm black, and so it just makes sense. But two of my favorite drugstore mascaras are The Falsies as well as Colossal. I love the Colossal mascara. But today I'm going to use The Falsies. What I love about this mascara is it doesn't clump easily. So it gives you volume without all that clumping. Yes! Hold on, let me get up closer so y'all can see this magic. Wow. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is eyebrows. Now, this product that I'm using is not drugstore, but I think it's like, is it a similar price point? I don't really remember how much this costs. But I feel like a lot of high school students are into Glossier, and a lot of people have been asking me lately what they should get to Glossier. I think they expanded their shipping to like more countries last week or something like that, so a lot of people have been asking me what they should get. And I think this is one of the products that you should be getting. It's a holy grail item for me. It's the Glossier Boy Brow. I always get the color black because my hair is black. I'm black. It makes sense. And what I like about this is that it is a brow gel or like a brow tint, but it's more of like a pomade than it is a gel, so it won't make your eyebrows look ashy. Sometimes brow gels can like make your eyebrows flake and it just like looks ashy and like really weird. So what I like about this Boy Brow is that it has more of like a pomade consistency, so it works a lot better. So I'm gonna use my Glossier Boy Brow in the color black. And what I do is I brush up in the front. It's gonna give me like that really nice like model eyebrow. And then I just continue with the product to the rest of my brow. And I brush in the direction that my brows grow in. Just get like a fuller brow that way, you know what I'm saying? Like it still looks natural. It doesn't look precise. We're not going for like Instagram brows or anything because this is like a no makeup everyday look. But they just look a little bit more refined and fuller. Oh, we're almost finished, ladies. This is like the easiest makeup that you could do for school. Like you wake up, you do your skincare routine because that's important, and then you do like your 5-minute makeup and you're out the door, girlies. The next product that I'm going to use is a cheek color. This is also not drugstore, but another Glossier product that I really love is the Glossier Cloud Paints. These are a cheek color, it's a blush, but what I like about this is that it's not a cream. If you have oily skin, sometimes, you know, we have like a love-hate relationship with cream products. But what I like about this one is that it's more of like a water-based product, so it stains the skin as opposed to a cream, which just like sits on top of your makeup and can like easily be wiped away. So I find that this one actually like stains the skin because it's liquid or like water-based. So this is in the color Haze. This is my favorite cloud paint color. It complements my skin tone really well. A little goes a long way. You don't want to put too much. So I put a little bit right here on my ring finger, like literally that much, because you can build it. It's worse when you put too much and try to fix it as opposed to like putting a little bit and building on top of that. So I will just go here on my little cheek. And it just gives me like a really pretty natural flush of color. And the color works so nicely on my skin tone. Isn't that so pretty? I love just like that little flush of color that it gives my complexion. So the next product I'm going to be using is a little bit of highlighter. Now this product is, or this brand is not technically Drugstore, but it is a similar price point. You already notice it's ColourPop. This is the Super Shock Cheek in the color Wisp. It looks so nice on my skin tone. It's like a goldy bronzy type of color. It just looks so nice. So I take a little bit on my brush and then I just whoosh. What I like about this highlighter is that it is not too much. It's just not too much. It just gives you like that nice little glow that your skin needs. And then I always take some down my nose because I think it just makes my nose look cuter. I always take a highlighter down my nose. All right, girlies, we are on the last step now. I recently got this lipstick color. I think it is so pretty. It's like a natural nude type of color, but it still gives my face a little bit of color. This is the Maybelline Color Sensational Lipstick in the color Chocolate Lust. I want you to see this color. It's so pretty. But yeah, that is my super easy, super quick, everyday drugstore makeup routine for school. But yeah, I don't think I've ever done a drugstore makeup routine on my channel before, so this will be the first. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more drugstore videos. I know like a drugstore skincare routine has been very highly requested, but I'm still trying out products. I have to try skincare products one by one because I don't want to like shock my skin and like make it break out. So I am trying a few different drugstore products. I just want to make sure that they are good enough for me to recommend. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next time.